Hey, how you doing? Just gonna make this quick video for you dads or moms or whoever Ford Kuga owners that are trying your best to figure out how to take out a cabin air filter. Here it is. I finally took it out. Takes some doing. I have a little tool set right here. First, passenger side. I have a right-hand drive vehicle. So passenger side, this side, underneath, it's gonna be a fuse box, looks like that. You wanna pull it all the way out with these tabs, or whatever you wanna call them. Pull these down, you're gonna have it down like that. Then there's gonna be a bracket with two screw bolts in them. You're gonna take them out, it's gonna be one here, one here. It's gonna look like this. Then finally, the cabin filter door is going to look like this, right? And it's going to be a total of 3 screws. You're going to have to unscrew screw 1, 2, and 3. They're going to look like this. They're going to look like that, okay? And what you want, what size am I using? I'm in Japan, by the way. 7 millimeters. 7 millimeter to get that one off, and to get this bracket off that's holding up the fuse box, you're going to need a 13 millimeter. Okay, so that's how you do it, and then that's how you get it out, man. I've been trying to find a good video on how to do it. I think someone posted it, but I couldn't see it really. Well, no, I hope you can see what's under here with my headlamp that I have on. That's what's going on under there, okay? The fuse box is going to be right in here. Right in here, you're just going to pull it out. Bam! Just going to pull it out and obviously put it back in. Whatever replacement you use is up to you. Recommend OEM. See if you can find a part number on here. So damn dirty. Obviously, that's why my car was stinking, so I needed to fix it. But yeah, there are part numbers. You can look on Ford Parts UK or something like that, find the correct part number. But this thing was so hard to take out, I'm not going to put it back in until I get my replacement. So that's it. That's how you do it, okay? Good luck.